Hey kids, look at me. Who am I? Are you ready? Okay, answer me and touch your own body parts. So, let's start. Who am I? Just think. Yes, yes, I am your head. Who am I? Fast, fast, fast. Yes, I am your hair. I am your hair. Who am I? Yes, think fast. I am your eyes. Yes, that's correct. I am your eyes. Who am I? Who am I? I am your nose. Yes, I am your nose. Who am I? I am your ears. Yes, right. I'm your ears. Who am I? Fast, fast. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, I'm your lips. That's correct. I'm your lips. Who am I? Who am I? I'm your teeth. Yeah, I am your teeth. Who am I? Who am I? I'm your tongue. That's correct. I'm your tongue. Who am I? I'm your mouth. Yes, I'm your mouth. Who am I? I'm your elbow. That's correct. I'm your elbow. Who am I? I'm your fingers. Different colored fingers. Yes. Who am I? I'm your hand. I'm your hand. Who am I? I'm your chest. I'm your chest. Who am I? I'm your stomach. I'm your stomach. Who am I? I'm your legs. I'm your legs. Who am I? I'm your thigh. That's correct. I'm your thigh. Who am I? I'm your knee. I am your knee. Yes, that's correct. Who am I? I am your foot. Yes, I am your foot. Who am I? I am your toes. That's correct. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe the video. Bye-bye.